Are you looking for the best rowing machines? In this video we will look at some of the best rowing machines. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 4. Aviron Strong Go Rower. The Aviron Strong Go is a high-quality Bluetooth-connected rowing machine that offers interactive workout games and races on your own iPad instead of a built-in display. It features the same low monorail and high seat as the flagship Strong, so it's just as comfortable to ride and easy to get onto and off of. The Strong Go's companion iPad app offers all the same interactive games, competitive races, and other features available on the Strong's built-in platform, with the exception of video streaming services. This is a good option if you're looking to add an interactive rower to your home gym on a budget and already have a compatible peripheral. It is meant to be used with an Apple iPad running iOS 12 or later, and does not work with Android tablets. It can't match the seamless, immersive experience of the original Strong, but the Strong Go costs hundreds less. Dimensions: 84 by 27 by 36 inches. Resistance: magnetic, air. Display size: not applicable. Maximum rider weight: 507 pounds. Monthly fees. Number 3. Hydrow Wave. The Wave is Hydrow's smaller and lighter rower. Like the original, the Wave is a monorail-style rower with a quiet electromagnetic resistance system. The Wave doesn't feel quite as smooth as the original Hydrow, and it features a smaller 16-inch display that doesn't rotate, but it offers access to the same fantastic workout streaming platform at a more reasonable price. Hydrow offers plenty of content for all levels, and its well-organized interface and filtering options make it easy to find suitable classes. With around 200,000 users, Hydrow's in-class leaderboards are highly competitive. If the original Hydrow rower is out of your budget or too big for your workout space, you might be interested in the Wave. This model measures 80 by 19 by 43 inches, LWH, weighs 102 pounds, and is recommended for riders up to 375 pounds with a maximum 36-inch inseam. Dimensions: 80 by 19 by 43 inches. Resistance: magnetic. Display size: 16 inches. Maximum rider weight: 375 pounds. Monthly fees. Number 2. Hydrow. Combining top-of-the-line equipment with immersive live streaming workouts, the Hydrow is one of the most luxurious smart rowing machines you can buy. It offers a super smooth, quiet ride with an electromagnetic drag mechanism, and its 22-inch touchscreen tilts and rotates for a good viewing angle on and off the machine. Hydrow has thousands of workouts in its on-demand library across the following categories: rowing, Pilates, mobility, strength, and yoga. Most of Hydrow's rowing workouts are filmed live on the water, with the coach in an actual boat, so you never know what might happen. During the rowing workouts, you have a third-person view of the coach, so you can easily follow along to match their stroke rate. Hydrow also brings an element of competition and philanthropy to your workouts with leaderboards, weekly challenges, and company donations to water.org after every 60 days you're active. If you want a premium at-home rowing machine with scenic trainer-led classes, the Hydrow is a top choice. It measures 86 by 25 by 47 inches, LWH, weighs 145 pounds, and supports riders up to 375 pounds with a 36-inch maximum inseam, a measurement from your inner thigh to the floor. Dimensions: 86 by 25 by 47 inches. Resistance: magnetic. Display size: 22 inches. Maximum rider weight: 375 pounds. Monthly fees. Number 1. NordicTrack RW900 Rowing Machine. The NordicTrack RW900 is a monorail-style rower featuring a 22-inch HD touchscreen that tilts and rotates, and a silent magnetic resistance system. Its Smart Adjust feature uses machine learning technology to automatically adjust the resistance during your workout based on your performance and preferences and the trainer's cues. An iFit membership gives you access to a vast library of iFit global workouts filmed in picturesque locations in more than 40 countries on all 7 continents. The platform's world-class trainers, including Olympic athletes, will help you perfect your technique and motivate you to push harder. The membership also includes a vast library of off-rower workouts including strength, yoga, HIIT, and more. If you want to work out with a view, it's hard to beat the NordicTrack RW900, which offers the widest selection of global workouts to virtually transport you all around the world as you exercise. Following a legal battle with Peloton, NordicTrack's rower now lacks leaderboards, so if you are motivated by competition, there are better options. This model has a 82 by 22 by 54 inch footprint, weighs 163 pounds, and supports riders up to 250 pounds. Dimensions: 82 by 22 by 54 inches. Resistance: magnetic. Display size: 22 inches. Maximum rider weight: 250 pounds. Monthly fees: